Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to discuss the next part of the first chapter, Roman numerals. So, in my last class, I discussed about the comparison of the large numbers, how to write the numbers in ascending order or descending order. So, students, today I will start the new part of this chapter 1, numbers, the Roman numerals. Okay, so in class 4 already you got some information about the Roman numerals, but today I will start the new or extra things about Roman numerals. Okay, so let's see. So see here, student, the Roman numerals for large numbers. Roman numerals were developed so that the Romans could easily price different goods and services. Roman numerals were widely used throughout the Roman Empire in everyday life. Following are the basic symbols used in the Roman numeral system. So actually, why we are using Roman numerals, how it is help us. So that information is given here. Roman numerals is widely used throughout the Roman Empire in everyday life. Okay, so in class 4, students, you have learned how the Roman numerals I, V and X are were used to write the Roman numerals for numbers 1 to 39. There is no Roman symbol is represent the digit 0. The values of the symbols are added or subtract to find the values of the Roman numerals. Let us recapitulate the 7 basic symbols and the rules for combining or repeating these symbols to write Roman numerals. Okay, so you see here 7 basic symbols are given here, Roman numeral symbol, and their equivalent values also is given. So you see this column is for Roman numerals and this is equivalent in Hindu Arabic system. The value of I is 1, 5, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500 and M equals to 1000. Okay, so this table already you learned in class 4. So but here we will learn some new things. So if a heavy bar is placed over a numeral, it means that it is multiplied by 1000. So here I am taking one example. V is equivalent to 5. So this is a Roman numeral symbol and this is in equivalent in what is the value of V in Hindu Arabic. So this value is in Hindu Arabic, the V is equal to 5. So if I put a bar over it, then what is the value of V bar? So 5 into 1000. Then we will get this value 5000. Okay, so this is the value of V bar. Now I am taking another example, L. What is the value of L? The value of L is equal to 50. So what is the value of L bar? So students, please you pause the video and at first you solve it and then you again play the video and check your answer is matched with me or not. So students, 50 into 1000. So what is the value of L bar? 50,000. Yes or no? So you please check what is your answer. It is matched with this answer or not. This is the answer is the correct one. Okay. So like that way, if I take X, what is the value of X? Is 10. What is the value of X bar? 10 into 1000. Then we will get 10,000. Okay, so like that way we will solve that bar of the 7 symbol. You see this is Roman numeral symbol, 7 symbols, and no, actually here given is 6 symbols is given, I is missing, and this is equivalent of Hindu Arabic system. What is the value of V bar, X bar, L bar, C bar, D bar, M bar, and according in international system, what is the value of equivalent, the Roman numerals equivalent in international system, how to write the numbers. Okay, so like that way you have to solve. Okay, So but here you see that one of the big table is given in your book, Roman numerals for large number. So students, I think 1 to 39, that how to write these numbers in Roman numerals, that already I hope you know that. But here I am discuss some few I'm discuss this part by example. So see students, that I'm taking the first number is 9. Okay, so the first example is our 9. So how to write this number in Roman numerals? Okay, so 9, according to this chart of our 7 symbol, 9 is not in that on that table. Okay, so but we know that what is that 10 is equivalent in which numeral system, that we know. So we can write down 9 like this way, 10 minus 1. Yes, so 10, what is the value of 10? X, we know that. And what is the value of 1? I. So here we will write like this way, I x. Okay, so this is 9 is equivalent in Roman numerals, the value is I x. Okay, so like that way, if I ask you what is the value of 19, how to write 19? So we can write 19, 10 plus 10 minus 1. Yes, so it will be x I x. Okay, then if I ask you what is the value of 75, so 75 we can write down, what is the value? 50 plus 10 plus 10. So 50 plus 10 means 60, 60 plus 10 is 70, then 5. Okay, so we can write down L x x v. What is the value of L is 50, x's value is 10, another x value is 10, and v is equal to 5. Okay, so like that way we can solve. Now if I ask you what is the value of 99, how can you write down 99? So for this actually we have to solve like this way. So 99 you can write down like this way, 100 minus 10, then it will be 90, but the value is 99. So we can write down 9 as a 10 minus 1 like this way. So 100, what is the value of 100 is our C, and minus 10 is value, but x is equals to 10. So we can write down like this way, x into C, and here I into x. Okay, so x C I x. Okay, so like that way we have to write. Okay, but what is the rule behind of this? So the rule of this actually, see, so students, we don't know what is the value of 99. So for this, but we know means we don't know what is that 99 is equivalent of which numeral, Roman numeral, so that we don't know. So for this actually we have to break this number like that way, that we can use that 7 symbols and find out these numbers. So that is actually our aim. So for this actually, if we do like this way, 100, we know that 100 is equivalent of which Roman numeral, that we know, C, and 10. So if I do 100 minus 10, then we will get 90. Now our concern is about the 9, because 90 plus 9 equals to 99. So 10 minus 1, so we will get 90 from here, and plus 9, so we will get 99. So like this way we have to solve. Okay, so hope you understand. So let's see the next part of this chapter, years and dates. To write the year in Roman numerals, we need to make larger numbers. Let's look at a few examples. Years in the 21st century are quite simple to write as Roman numerals. First, we start off with mm. So when 1000, what is the value of m? M is value of m. M is in Roman numeral, and that is equivalent in Hindu Arabic. The value is m is 1000, and another m for m is 1000. So 1000 plus 1000. So actually the mm is that equivalent number is 2000. And then we add an appropriate symbol for the rest part. So if we want 2020 in Roman numerals, we start with like this. So how can you write down this year in Roman numerals? Okay, so for this we have to break this number like this way: 1000 plus 1000 plus 10 plus 10. Yes or no? So for 1000, what is the value of? So for m in Roman numerals, the value of m is 1000, and another m for 1000. Okay, because m is the 1000 is equivalent of m, or m, the value of m is equivalent to 1000, and l what is the value of 10x? So x plus x 10. So if we write this year is in Roman numerals, what will be the answer? M x x. Okay, so like this way you have to solve. Now years from the 20th century are simple as well. We start off with the Roman numerals for 1900 and add on the appropriate amount from here. So for example, 1985 would be written as like this way. So 1900. How to write this number? So how to write this number in Roman numerals? So we know that. So 1000, we break the number like this way: 1000 plus, for 900, how to write? 1000 minus 100. Yes or no? So for this value, actually m equals to 1000. For this, actually we write this number is c, because the value of c equals to 100 and the value of m equals to 1000, cm. So this is actually value of 900. So we write if we converted this number is in Roman numerals, what will be the answer? mcm. Okay, now if I give you this year, so how we will write in this year is in Roman numerals? So suppose 1985. How to write in Roman numerals? For this, actually you have to break the numbers like this way. So we know already what is the value of 1900. So we break it like it, then 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, so for this, actually we know that mcm. So the value of 1900, L for 50, x for 10, another x for another 10, another x for another 10, and v for 5. So mcm l x x x v. So this will be your these numbers in Roman numerals. This is the answer. So if you write this number is in Roman numerals, so this will be your answer. Okay, so hope you understand. So let's see that another example from your let's see that from your exercise question answer. So problem said 1D, read the following Roman numerals and write as Hindu Arabic numerals. So we know that what is the value of V? The value of V in this is the Roman numerals symbols. So according in Hindu Arabic, the value of it is 5. So 5 into this bar is there. So you see that heavy bar is over it a numeral. So that's why 5 we will multiply it by 1000. So 5 into 1000 we will get 5000, and x is value is 10. So 10 into 1000, L is value is 50, then 100, 500 and 1000. So all these cases we have to multiply it by 1000, then we will get the result. Next, see question number 2. Write the following years in Roman numerals. So for this actually we have to multiply 5 into 1000, 10 into 1000, 50 into 1000, 100 into 1000, 500 into 1000, and this is 1000 into 1000. Okay, then we will get the, find out the, after doing the multiplication we will get the result. Now question number 2, write the following numbers in Roman numerals. So see the first question number 2. The first one is 2020. So 2020, how to write that already I have shown here. So see this way you have to solve 2020. Now let's see that question number 2. 20. Now I am taking the second example, 2025. So how to write 2025? So at first you have to break this number like this way: 1000 plus 1000 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, now we know that what is the value of 1000, m. Then for another 1000 the value is m, then it will be x v. Okay, so this is the answer of 2025. So like this way we have to solve the rest of the questions. Let's see question number 3. March 26, 2017. So you know that March, if we see in calendar, the March is in third month. According to the calendar, the March, after first one is January, February, then March. Okay, so that's why you see the month March, that will come in third place of the calendar. So the place is in third. It is a third month. Okay, so actually the number is 3. So how to write 3 is in Roman numerals? So we break the number like this way: 1 plus 1 plus 1. So I, for one I, for another one I, and for another one I. So means I. Okay, now you see this date is 26. So how to break the number 26? 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. So for 10 actually x v I, for 10 x, for 10 another 10 for x, 5 for v, and 1 for I. Okay, let's see 2017. So 2017 we have break the number like this way: 1000 plus 1000 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so for 1000 m, for another 1000 for m, then x v I. Okay, so hope you understand how to solve this type of question. So rest of the question you please try it. Okay, and do it. It will be very easy. Step by step you please do and see this how to write the numbers. So how to write the dates? You see March 26, 2017. So you have to write these numbers in between those numbers. Suppose March, after March, that the date, so 26. So that's why in between you have to put the dot sign. You see this dot sign is very important. Otherwise if you continue write down it, we can't understand what is the date. But if you write like this way, in between you put the dot, then you can understand. Okay, this is for this value is for is indicate that month, this is for date, and this is for year. Okay, so hope you understand. Let's see question number 4. Complete the following date conversion chart. So see here actually the year is given. So this is 19th century, this is 20th century. So you see here that year is given here. You have to write down what is the equivalent value in Roman numerals. Okay, so in Roman numerals, what is the value of this? So 1802, what is in equivalent in Roman numerals? Okay, and also here also you see this in Roman numerals is given here. You have to write down the year. So year is missing here. You have to write down. So please students, you do it, and in my next video I will start the new chapter. Okay, I hope you understand, and do it. Thank you students. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.